Hello again everyone. Today I thought I would give her a bit of a clean inside. I was planning on cleaning her outside, but time got on a bit. It's just a quick go over. She was very smelly and a bit dirty, so a bit of a boring video, but nonetheless hope you enjoy. This isn't going as well as I thought it would, but hopefully it will be better. It will smell better. May not look cleaner, but it will smell better. Now for a quick hoover and just a little scrub down. She's coming up. All right, at least now I know when I get in her, I'm not going to catch anything. She does need a proper thorough valet, but she smells better. And my God, she did smell. Now, I need to do the outside, but I'm hungry. I've been at work today, so I'm going to do it tomorrow.